Okay, for this, you're going to do this on your own. If you need a privacy folder, go ahead and get it. The heading of this section says, how can we use our senses? Number 1, look at the picture. How can you observe the size of the celery? A, by looking at it, B, by smelling it, or C, by tasting it. How can you observe the size of the celery? Number 2, look at the picture. How do you find out how the celery smells? A, you use your ears, B, you use your eyes, or C, you use your nose. How do you find out how the celery smells? Up here at number 3, how can you know what sound a bird makes? A, think about what it sounds like, B, listen to it, or C, look at the bird's color. How can you find out what sound a bird makes? Number 4, how do you compare your observations with a classmate's observations? A, make your observations again. B, talk about how your observations are alike and how they are different. Or C, think about what you observed. How can you compare your observations with a classmate's observations? On this side, this heading says, what are senses and other tools? Number 1, what are hearing, sight, smell, taste, and touch? Are they A, body parts? Are they B, feelings? Or are they C, senses? Number 2, which body part do you use for seeing? A, ears, B, eyes, or C, mouth? Number 3, look at the picture. Which sense is the boy using to learn about the flower? Look at the picture. Is he using a sense of hearing, smell, or taste? Number 4, you want to find out if an apple tastes sweeter than a peach. Which sense will you use to find out if an apple tastes sweeter than a peach? A, eyes and ears, B, hands and eyes, or C, mouth? Make sure, if you need to listen to this again, check your answers, put your name on it, and you're going to keep this in your binder on the finished side.